and welcome to yet another video. As promised, today we have got the boat and we are taking the engine out. We are at DT Engine Solutions. Let's get to it, see where we're starting, and oh, by the way, everything is absolutely soaking wet. Outside is ridiculous, like a monsoon. Autumn for you in Britain. First job, disconnect the batteries. I've got to take this panel off here to get at the exhaust. As you can see, screwed and fiberglass down. Dan's complaining about the size of my bore. What's wrong with my bore?
Small, big bore. Man size bore. See, in one.
We're having a little war on tools. This is my impact gun. And well, that's it.
Got size issues, haven't you?
So what we're doing now is just taking off all the auxiliaries. Dan's took the trim pump off. I'm just doing all the wiring stuff, and we took the exhaust part out. And it's just a lot of bolt. Yeah, we took the exhaust part off here. Took the shifter cable off the gearbox. Got to follow this loom and disconnect it from various points of the engine. And Dan's just unbolting the stern drive, are you?
I am.
Woohoo! I think we're going to be happy. We're going to start playing with big toys. We're going to do is strap that over, take the weight. So we're at the point now where we're pretty much ready to take the engine out, just figuring out the best way to strap it and all that. We have to take it out of the unit so we can get the forklift at the side of it. And then go, yoink! It's gone well, stern drive out, gearbox is still on the engine, we're taking that out with it. good Sunday morning's work.
For me.
One mermaid engine.
Left you hanging. Hole.
Big hole. It's getting a tad windy out here on a Sunday afternoon, but it's turned sunny, so that's all good. Thank you very much for watching. Now if you want to know anything more what Dan does at DT Engine Solutions, I will link his Instagram below so you can have a look. But for now, subscribe, hit that bell, you know what to do, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.